Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this fall inspired look for you guys. I am so excited to finally be posting up a makeup tutorial. I hope you come back for more content. So if you want to see how I got this fall inspired look, these rich tones, the dark lips, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with this simple moisturizer and this primer and put this on my face. So let's go. So because I've been dry these days because of the cold weather, I'm going to use my Dewy and Smooth by Fit Me, and I'm in number 240. So yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand and use a brush to apply. So now I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge. This is a Real Technique sponge, and I'm going to blend everything out. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the color Neutralizer and conceal and highlight. Now I am going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder. This is in the color Translucent, and I'm just going to set those areas that I highlighted. Put a little bit in there, and I'm just going to use the same sponge to apply. Okay, now I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match in the color 4.5 to powder the rest of my face. So I'm gonna take my It's My Ray Ray palette and use this contour color here just to do a little light contouring. I'm not too big on contouring just because my face is already narrow, but I do like a little bit of definition. So just a little. Okay, and a little around the forehead area. And if there's anything left on the brush, just a little down the sides of my nose. Next, I'm going to take my favorite Wet n Wild blush that I love, and it's my tried and true. It is the Pearlescent Pink. I just literally buy this just over and over again until I run out. So I'm going to do a little blush. And lastly, for the face, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Golden Flower Crown, and it's a tinge light, but I kind of like the color. So we're going to put this down the center of the nose. And I like to carry a little bit in the center of my forehead. I embrace my large forehead, you guys. And I put some down the sides of my cheek. On the tops of my cheek, I mean. Just for some added pop. And on the tips of my lips and chin. Now we're going to move on to brows. I'm going to use my Milani Easy Brow in the color Natural Taupe. And then I also like to use this Milani Gel Eyebrow Gel for tinted gel. And I believe this is in the color Brunette. So I'm going to use both of these to define my eyebrows. Just kind of brush them in the front so they're not too harsh. And that is my brows. I'm going to take that same sponge and kind of, that had concealer and powder, and kind of go over my lids to prep them for the eyeshadow look we're about to do. So we're going to use this palette that I absolutely love. The colors are amazing. Let me show you. They are gorgeous, and we're going to use some of these colors to create a beautiful fall look. So first, I'm going to start out with using a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use one of these soft colors here for my transition. Oh, this is a little bit darker than I anticipated it being, but that's okay. We're just gonna blend that and work that in to the crease area. Take this deeper orange color and work that into the crease as well. Then we're going to take a smaller crease brush and go into one of these deep colors. I think I'm going to pick this kind of reddish brick brown color. It has a name, but I don't know what it is right now because I don't have the little card, and I'm just going to put this on the corner of the eye and create like a V shape. Just to deepen the edge. As you can see, it's blending out. Then I'm going to take another deep color, this burgundy type color, and put it in the crease also. I mean on the edge also. Next, I'm going to take this coppery color. It's not really showing up that great on the camera, but this copper color with a flat shader brush and put that right on this part of my lid. I'm going to drag it up just a little bit and over to the side. And kind of blend it into that color that I had in my crease or on the edge of my eye. Oh, this is so pretty. The reason that I drag this up just a little bit is because I have a hooded eye. So if you see, if I tilt my head like this, there's this like fold there. And so I bring it up so that way I can still see the shadow color. So if you have a hooded eye, kind of bring it up just a pinch. And I'm going to go back in with that same fluffy brush that I had and back into that deep orange just to intensify that crease. I'm gonna go back in with that same shader brush, and this is just me just building up the intensity of the look. So I think to get an even deeper outer corner, I'm gonna use this color here. It's like a deep plum. So I'm going to take some of the same colors that I used on the top of my eye to kind of go underneath the bottom of my eye. So I'm going to take this orange color that I used, and I'm going to drag that across the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take this burgundy color that I was using and drag that across the bottom as well. But just on the outer edge. I'm going to take that deep color again, this plum color, and then I'm going to put it just ever so slightly on the edge. Okay. So we kind of have the bottom of our lash line going. So I'm going to take another brush, another little tiny fluffy brush, and I'm going to take that same color that I used for my highlight and put that in the inner corner of my eye. I don't know what it is about inner corner highlight, but it just does something for me. I love it. And it's just a slight pop. It's nothing major. Okay. And I'm going to take my LA Girl black liner, gel liner, and I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to take my Mega Liner by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to create a wing. Next, I'm going to apply my Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I love this stuff. It makes your natural lashes look so beautiful and long, even though I have baby lashes. So you guys, I went ahead and applied some false lashes and some bottom mascara to my bottom lashes, because I have to be so close up on the mirror when I do it. I just didn't want to film that. And so I'm still getting used to putting on the false lashes on myself, simply because I do not wear false lashes on a regular basis. So just a little something for the video. So next we're going to do lips. I'm going to use this Jordana lip liner in the color Cabernet, and Jordana is a brand that is super inexpensive that I find at Walgreens. These things might be like 99 cents or cheaper, and they work so well, so I'm gonna use this. Next, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in the color Back Talk. I think this is so pretty. So we're going with the fall lips today. Like I said earlier in the video, because I've been dry, I am going to spray my face with this Mario Badescu facial spray. It's the rose water one. And this is just going to kind of refresh my face a little bit so I'm not too dry and powdery. Yeah. this is the final look. I hope you like it. We have some plums, we have some rich tones on the eyes, so I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please come back for more content. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification at the bottom of the screen to never miss an upload from me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.